All right, guys, we have been around the table. I zoomed in closely on all of the pieces. Now let me give you a brief summary of what I have on my table. Okay, we are going to start off here with this very beautiful crystal bowl. This is a thrifted item, and I've had this for a couple of years. Now inside my flower arrangement is just some lamb's ears, some pine cones that I spray painted copper. That's a white rose that I misted some copper spray paint on. And then I have a little leaf right there as well. Now on down, this is my crystal cake stand that I purchased from Home Goods. I want to say it was either $19.99 or $24.99. And on down in here, that is my crystal salt and pepper shaker. It had a silver top to it, the chrome-like top, and I spray painted it copper. Now we're gonna, and that's just a cake stand, a small one, this one right here. I purchased that from the Goodwill. If you can see, it has like the grape feet, and it's 3. I thrifted that item, and my greenery is thrifted. Now let's get into this plate setting. You all have seen these napkins. I purchased them either from Home Goods or Burlington. I cannot remember. And then I had a Goodwill video where I had a bunch of napkin rings, and this is a set that I purchased for 99 cents, but it was 50% off that. You all have seen my recent video. This is the plate setting that I purchased at Goodwill for $10. This is very heavy. This is my charger plate. It was a Goodwill find, and I spray painted it copper. And underneath is a brown chocolate placemat that came from Dollar Tree. And my silverware is Dollar Tree silverware, and I spray painted it copper. Here we have a crystal wine goblet that I thrifted from Goodwill. And here is my wine flute, champagne flute that I thrifted from the Goodwill, and I spray painted the bottom with the copper. And here I just have a pine cone that I spray painted copper, and I just have some diamond bling scatters on my table. Here is one of my napkin rings with the tea light, and then this is a crystal tea light holder that I turned upside down onto this candlestick that I purchased at the Goodwill, and I spray painted it copper as well. Here are my Christmas ornaments. They were a bronze color, and I spray painted them copper, and they had like an amber rhinestone in the middle, and I just put in a crystal rhinestone, and I have 2 on both sides. Now here is my thrifted Goodwill candy crystal dish. I have 2 of them, one on both ends. I am in love with my pieces, and just to make it light up, I just have some fairy lights inside. And like I said, I have my diamond scatter, and that's just a leaf that I spray painted copper. All right. Now we will head over to the bar cart. All right, we are over at the bar cart. Here I want to share with you my Christmas sleigh. It was a white and silver color, and I just spray painted it copper. Here I just have some baby breath and an empty wine bottle. So I'm just using the sleigh as a wine caddy, and I have some of my diamond scatters. This is my reindeer that I hauled a few days ago, and I spray painted it copper. And this is just a Dollar Tree candle in the color copper. That is my crystal candle holder that I purchased from TJ Maxx. You've all seen this before. My Ross Dress for Less champagne flute. And here is the other reindeer and my other crystal candle holder.